For those people who come and say, boss mom, they face spiritual husband attack. Spiritual husband, they disturb me. Okay, spiritual wife, they disturb me. And they make out for dream. If I make out, before you know, my success don't close, my blessing don't close. Anything we concern the person don't close. Do this, okay? If you be the type where they face spiritual husband attack, I get other teaching where I don't do for people how to scare your spiritual husband away before you go return your spiritual bride price. You're going to be needing original cowries from an elderly woman, okay? Elderly woman, now you go follow by your cowries where you want use for the spiritual work. And that cowries, you're going to use it as a bracelet or on your wrist, okay? Or add it to your waist bead on your waist. Not forget, for this particular video, not tell me say, boss mom, I can get cowries for us, I feel use them. Go market, follow elderly woman, buy your cowries, okay? Your original cowries, whether the male cowries, the female cowries, anyone from elderly person, we're not the see period again. All right, yes, make sure say you, because of that cowries, go market. I know why I did tell you, okay? Now take that cowries to a flowing water, whether in a river, whether in a beach, provided that water the flow. All right, take that cowries, go there. Make sure you wear white cloth, or you wear any cloth to represent your element. But to get pure result, wear white cloth. Go inside the river and make sure you're not there on your period. Okay, be free before you do the spiritual work. Take the cowries where you want to use. You can get 20 cowries, any cowries where you know say you go reach you. Take do your waist bead, or take do your hand bead, or take do your necklace. You're going to be wearing these cowries every time, and don't pull out these cowries, okay? Don't pull it out except you want to make love, okay? You pull it out. You know, see, be the type where they commit sin, they make love, they meet man or they meet woman. Video they my YouTube on how to clean yourself after any love making in order for you not to collect people energy. All right, so now get your cowries, original cowries from an elderly person. Go to the river, sit down inside the river as you wear your white cloth, okay? Sit down inside the river with your legs straight. Now put the cowries for your front inside. That's why you need to do it for weird space. They will say the cowries not go float out, okay? Put her for ground. May it touch the soil of the river or the soil of the flowing water, okay? The soil of that water where you carry that cowries go. Make sure say it touch the ground. Then leave her for ground. Begin to pray. Begin to call on the water. Begin to call on everything you believe on. That from the day you start wearing these cowries, there will be no more knocking in the dream. No spiritual husband or spiritual wife will come close to you. That you call on a water goddess, that anything you are owing them, you will come and pay at the due time. Okay, you will come and pay, because for you to get spiritual husband or spiritual wife problem is because there is something you need to pay spiritually or traditionally. But because of say these days we know they see original people or great or strong people where you know about water work, so it's hard for you to just jump into settling your spiritual husband or spiritual wife. Okay, so in order for you to break that bond, where you go make the bad one call they make love with you, and because when they make love with you, then they give you bad luck, bad energy, difficulties, problem, everything all in you. Okay, so it's good you break that bond, okay, and you protect yourself so that you can always attract good things. When you are owing your spiritual husband or your spiritual wife, when you are doing spiritual work, it does not work for you. You know why? Because the moment you do your cleansing finish, as you dey sleep, you go your wake up, your body wet, or you don't meet, or they can't sleep with you for dream. Those are bad luck. They cause backwardness. Okay, so this is how to do it. After your prayer, when you reach us, add the cowries, join any bead at all. Okay, add the cowries, join any hand bead, waist bead, neck bead. Always wear it, and don't share the bead with anybody, no matter who. All right, thank you all so much. I remain your box mom. See you on my next spiritual video. Bye guys.